Here's a quick trick for you guys about how you can make your razor last about 10 times longer than it normally would. First thing you're going to need is real simple, baby oil, okay? Second thing is a plastic cup or something similar to this. And the last thing you will need is your razor. What you're going to do is get the plastic cup, pour a little bit of baby oil, about that much. After you use your razor and clean it, dip your razor in the baby oil and leave it in there. Razors are, the companies design them to oxidize, which makes them go dull, and that's the reason you have to buy more razors. I mean, eventually, no matter what, they're going to go dull, but if you leave it in baby oil, it will make it last about 10 times longer. It also provides some slickness to it when you're shaving, which is good for your skin. So try it out. This will save you money. You'll get a better shave. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Thanks, guys. Hope this helps.